Okay, so in the last tutorial we studied about the request param annotation and see how the HTML form is being handled by the Spring MVC architecture. In this tutorial we'll just cover one point about the request param annotation. This is same as a path variable annotation. If you remember, instead of writing multiple path variable annotations in the method argument, what we did was we used the path variable along with the collection, that is map, just to write the less code. Similarly here, what we are doing is till now we are using the request param annotation to fetch each and every value and then binding it to my bean class. But instead of writing multiple request param annotations in the method argument, we can again use the map collection along with it. Let's see how. So you can just remove all this and instead we can have a java.util map say params. Now yeah, but here you need to fetch the values. I'll just give the key. This need to be stored in the variable string name because we are binding it over here. Let's copy this. Since we're binding 4 values, so I've used the 4 times. Next time I need mobile. This could be any name because this is not the binding part. Okay. What will be the key? What user is entering is training from JS.jsp. He is entering student name. This is same name as that used in this class. So the key will be this only, student name. Earlier also we are using it the same in the request param annotation. Student name, whatever you have given in the JSP should match exactly with the one in the bean as well as in the request param map key. I used it, no problem. Then we need to have a mobile and DOB. Okay, this is not applicable for that. Maybe we have to okay, let's just map the other fields and see how it is being executed. Okay, so let's see the execution of it. It's training form.html. Again we get the values. We are able to get the data, but we are not able to map the DOB field. Why? Because we haven't set it in my training form.application.java. What the problem over here is, because we are storing all these values inside a map and map is accepting a key of type string. not of other type. So we cannot, even if I give it over here date, I can, but since map will not be able to store it, so either we need to define two maps having strings as a key and date as a key, or either we can only map the string values. But the other data type binding can also be done, like if we can have collections also, we can have long, character, boolean, any data type we can map those data, but using the model attribute annotation. That will be starting in the next tutorial, because that is a very important annotation in the Spring MVC. So we'll be starting about it in the